Aussie USD, we start with the 1 hour chart. Okay. If you refer back to my last video when the price was within this range, I mentioned that we are looking for the buy, but before we take the buy, we want the price to break this low or come to this trend line. This is exactly what happened. The price drop and reverse. This is what we're looking for, but we didn't get any trade set up. Okay, even if we move to 15 minutes, we see whether there was a trade. I think the only way traders could trade was buying from here, but what we consider there was no trade set up for buy. Okay, and now we are looking for buy. The only thing is we don't have trade set up. We need to see how the price consolidate here. If we get any correction, any buy setup, we will take it. Okay, now the question is whether this is the one is going to at least come to this line or and continue, or we can expect this the buy if we get from here will be similar to this. That's mean we had one move, then from there we can expect one move down before we get the next move up. Okay, no, we are not sure, but if we get any buy setup from here, we will take it. And as long as the price break this high and this high, then we need to see whether there is a continuation or not. Because if we move to daily chart, we have been discussing that we are looking for this as a correction, whether we can get one move up to come to this high or not. Okay, now we don't need to in this case we move to 4 hour chart, and based on 4 hour chart we mentioned that we have this move, any buy breakout of this low or coming to this trend line we can look for. Now the only thing is we're looking for buy, whether this buy will be the one will finish this correction and break this high, or we can expect to get similar to any of them for the next move down before we get the up move. Okay, anyway, we don't care about that. The only thing is we're looking for buy, and if we get any buy, we'll trade it. And we don't need to care about these lines, because sometimes we need to adjust it just for the indication. And now if we move to 1 hour chart, as I say, if we want to buy, we don't have any buy setup. The only thing is we need to wait. We see what we will get here. Any buy from here, we will take it. Anyway, we're looking for buy. And even about the sell, I'm not really interested in the sell, even the price drop. Okay, we will be more interested in the buy. The only thing is we need to see what we will get from here. If there is any changes, then I will share on YouTube. Anyway, we just follow the chart. We see whether we can get any buy setup or not. Thanks.